There's a captain up here, and I don't know if we have it in us to take a captain on still. Fuck! Okay, I guess we're about to find out. Oh, yes. Oh. Yeah, fuck, let's just go get the Chrome Mauler sword. No, let's curse shit up first. So that was a guard captain. Even though, like, we're doing well, a guard captain... a guard captain is very dangerous. We have 3 lesser souls. I think I want to curse the Claymore. What? Where? Where is he? But there's only one entrance out of this room. Is he just gonna jump out of that? Weird. I don't know what the fuck happened there. Oh shit, I might have to navigate this place by memory. Because we're all out of torches. Oh, fuck it. I forgot that it unequips. Equip the Claymore. Will do, will do. Down he goes. Okay. Let's skin him. Actually, there is some useful stuff we can do with that skin, so that's handy. I'm sorry if this isn't entertaining to watch. I just about know where I'm going. I can see just enough to make sense of it. You hear a voice inside your head. You miserable mortal worm. You wish to use me. You hear a voice inside your head. The sound seems to be coming from the sword atop the pile of carcasses. Chaos, pain, and misery. Those are the reasons I was created. Do you want me? Yes! Very well. You take the miasma with you. Okay, and so if you equip the miasma to anyone except Lagarde, they will lose their mind. And so you have to equip it just to him. And now we can equip the Cursed Claymore, which does 150 damage, people! Yeah, we're rolling. We're rolling. We should probably save soon. The final gamer. I'm going to walk out front, and if those fucking dogs want a piece of me, that's totally fine. Go away, dogs. I still feel relief that I don't have to fight them, because I just hate them so much. You read passages of... He never comes down there. What the fuck was that? Oh shit, no, no, no. Yes. No. Pull yourself together, we can't rest here. So when you come up here, now you can pick up this knife and give it to the girl. And if you curse it, it's actually not a bad little weapon. What happens if you rested there? So it wouldn't be me resting there. It would be Lagarde resting there. He would, like, stop there, and we don't want that. He'd basically leave our party. And then we just have this very strange, just big empty field where, I don't know, there's just nothing. And people talk about turning her into a mage. How do you do that? You can basically feed her like all the magic scrolls you get. I don't do it too often, but apparently she gets like really, really good if you do. And now we are fully rejuvenated. We're all our health back, but we're getting hungry. Okay, so I need to use a worm juice to get the worms out of my body. But that makes me poisoned, which means I have to use I think it's a white vial. Yep. And now I can just chow down. Okay. Now we continue. Okay, so now our next objective is to get Moonless and kill the cave mother. I don't want to use a torch, but I also don't want to run into the captain. Okay, we're going. Bookman, oh, fuck this guy. What happens if you run into the captain? You have to fight him, and he's like a really strong ogre. He is not fun to fight. We've killed all the ogres in here. I think I remember the route. You know that you've played too much Fear of Hunger when you start navigating it in the dark. Okay, we can craft one torch. That should be enough. Okay, yeah, I was nowhere near where I thought we were. Okay, hit the switch, get out of here. That's so weird that we haven't hit the switch before. So what's your Street Fighter 6 rank? My current rank is Silver rank 4. And I'm pretty pleased with that. Like, I'm a little bit away from gold. And I've been doing well. I've been fucking just loving the game. Though, like, oh my god, it's such a fantastic game. How many torches are in the game? A fair few. Like, it's very unusual for me to run this low on torches. But I know where we can get more, so we're just going to head straight there. We will probably get one if we go up to Pocket Cat. I don't think we've gotten his shit before. Let's see here. Find a torch. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, now that we have that torch, now we might as well just go get Moonless. Oh, hey, thanks for subscribing. So now by offering Moonless 2 pieces of rotten meat, Moonless will join our party. Not the strongest character, but pretty good for this stage in the game. But it's a cool, weird demon dog. What's not to like? Outside of Marissa, do you plan on playing anyone else? I think I'm gonna start maining my non. Her double her like double hard punch into command grab is just it's my mouth is watering. It's so beautiful to hit. The girl is holding her hand and shaking visibly. She seems hesitant. Continue. Ponder your words. She regains some of her determination and nods at you. Find small key. Actually, yes. I think I want to go fight Den Mother. Let's just make sure everyone's okay. Yeah, everyone's in reasonable condition. Let's do a little equipment check. Yeah, I think we'll body her pretty good. Right now, with a regular dagger, girl is gonna do too little damage for me really to give a shit. Here we go. Here we go. Here's Cave Mother. Lagarde just got weak from hunger. For fuck's sake. We should still be okay. Just see, Moonless doesn't do the most damage, but he does attack twice. Man. Okay, I wasn't aware Cave Mother... Shit! Lagarde just lost an arm. That is bad. That is bad. I have miscalculated. I have miscalculated, chat. Whew. Cave Mother disappeared into the darkness. Okay, let's clean up the blood a little bit. Let's heal up Moonless's infection. Okay. Okay. Let's deal with our hunger a little bit. Here she comes again. God damn. Oh, Lagarde's still hungry. God, I hate that. Sometimes it takes like a while for the hunger status effect to go away, and it can really fuck you up. No! Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. Yeah, I don't like this fucking thing. Nice! Good job, little girl. Oh, okay. We continue. I think this is our last torch, so we have to get down to those fucking mines and get some torches ASAP. Oh, no way. Give the gnome egg to the Salmon Snake. We're going to fight Salmon Snake now, so that's really useful. Torch, please. Torch, please. Torch, nice. And then this, the walls of this place are also lined with torches, which is really handy. Cool draft. Must be locked. Salmon soul is the best item in the game. That is what we are going to get. Okay, I would say we're looking okay for beating Salmon Snake. Get more eggs from the body. Do we need to? Like, okay, what's the advantage of the more eggs? You just blind it, distracts the mon's boss for a turn. I don't think we'll need it. No, I think we'll be okay. I think we'll be okay, because we're just going to blind it straight away. Okay, I am not going to throw an item at Moonless. Yeah, no, I'm going to leave him at his current. Okay, let's go straight for the eye. Let's have girl use... Oh, I see. shit. Okay, that was a waste. Okay, look, we're just gonna blind it. Just gonna blind the shit out of it. Nice, okay. For some reason, Moonless always attacks the tongue, and I don't know why. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, okay. Good stuff, good stuff. Like, Moonless attacks the tongue so consistently that I never have seen what happens when the tongue fully extends. Oh, it attacked the head there. Weird. Hell yeah. So now we have the Salmon Snake Stole. With this, you can actually get a really good meat carve. Is this my best run? Yeah, on stream for sure. Definitely on stream. This is really Monster Hunter-y, like just cutting up like the different parts of it. But you actually get a shit ton of like really good meat from this. Necromancy, they're not talking about using necromancy on the salmon snake. They're talking about using necromancy on the on like the dead bodies below the salmon snake, and they just do not do anything. I think they're too fucked up to bring back. Take the torch. I think I just want to fuck this guy up. Yeah, fuck it. I'm gonna go. You can talk to these girls to get these guys to get the Eclipse Talisman. Maybe the girls, I don't know. And but we're not getting the Eclipse Talisman because I don't want to actually want Nashara because he can't follow us into the final area. I'm not sure why. Sometimes Moonless just kills these guys straight away like that, and it's so good. The final gamer. Okay, we're doing well. We are doing really well. I'm not gonna fuck with that guy. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go to the village and get the crown. Have you tried Termina yet? Only like for like 20 minutes. It seemed cool. We are gonna try Termina on stream at some point. I was actually saying before on stream how I'd really like to do like a big charity stream for Termina and just see how far we get. I will probably get mauled, but like it'd be fun, you know, it'd be fun. Shit, okay, no, I don't want to fight this guy. Let's get out of here. So a lot, like, it's weird because, like, I think Fear and Hunger is great. Like, it's a really good game. Most people I know tell me that Termina, like, blows it out of the water, which is really crazy to hear, but, like, awesome. Like, that sounds great. I could absolutely see myself doing a video on Termina eventually. Partially just because, like, I loved making the Fear and Hunger video. Whoop! Have you played Lisa the Painful? Lisa the Painful is my number 16th favorite game of all time, which is really high praise. Really high. I love Lisa the Painful. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. They can stun lock you at Locust Swarm. Oh, shit. No, wrong. You're a legit madman. Go for the head. Do you not have to kill hurt their legs to expose their head? Okay, I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a shot. And Shadow B, if you're wrong, so help me God. Okay, nice, nice. True story, I watched your fake psychics video twice and thought of the number 37 both times. I think that might be a little less impressive the second time, but I appreciate it all the same. Opium powder is nice, okay. So now before we piss anybody off, what say we equip that stone crown? Explosive vial. Rotten meat. So the village, like, can be nasty if you don't have the stone crown because the enemies here attack you, but with it, they think you're awesome and they won't touch you. Bear trap, nice. Tinder boxes. White file, this person sells things. I will go for a blue vial, my friend. And maybe a dried meat. Dried meat, yep. I gotta eat. I gotta eat. Guard is weak from hunger. Cool. Oh, shit. Ring of Rats is really good. Oh, shit. Let's give that to the guard. Oh, shit. I didn't know Thorned Ring. Damn, okay. Okay. I will remember to equip that later. Useful. Bone saw, okay. Not that useful. We get the rope up here, which we will need. And away we go. Someone... No, not the rogue! 3 silver coins. Yeah. Sure. Short bow. I never use the bow and arrow. What does dirt do? I don't actually know. Does anyone in the chat know that? I've never used dirt in a meaningful way in this game. And away we go. Find a red vial. Good. Pipe. Nice. Pine cone. Okay. 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 Let's go get this cube of the depths. Hunger is driving girl mad. Oh, we don't want you to go mad. Oh, I should have... Fuck. There's a place you can actually just refill all your hunger in a second, and I should have just gone there. Oh, well. So, one time I encountered Moonless Night here, and it never happened again. This is the god of the depths. I've never figured out what to do here. I'm sure on one of these runs we will. Moonless Guard is extremely random. It's like a 5% chance. Really? Wow, okay. Interesting. And they're all still cool with me. Excellent. Now we have to go save Darcy. How open is chat to disclosing things about the game? I would say we encourage it. Like, I have played a lot of this game, and I don't generally look at wikis or anything like that, because I just like to encounter stuff myself, but I don't know. It's kind of cool having, like, people in the chat know exactly, like, what the deal is with stuff. Don't know what it does, though. Yeah, you can sacrifice the girl. Oh, really? You can just toss her in? That's fucked up. So, yeah, you have to fight these guys here. I think the easiest way with these dudes is just go straight for the body. There we go. Can we let anyone go? I love that. I love that this mod gives these guys 80s workout spandex. Me too. Me too. Okay, I want Darcy in my team because she's really strong, which means either getting rid of Moonless or Little Girl. I know who would take the girl off your hands. Sell the girl. No, I don't want to sell the girl. You can sacrifice someone to let them go if the girl is dead. Leave her as a backup option. Kill the girl. God, people want me to kill the girl. Kill the child. It's only because the option is like kill the girl or hurt a dog. Don't touch Moonless. Kill the baby. God, chat. I don't know about you guys. Poll. Okay, poll. Let's do a poll. Get rid of John. He looks weird. I'm tired. Oh, the character. Okay. Yeah. All right. That's okay. I thought maybe it doesn't matter what I thought. It's fine. It's fine. You could bone saw her limbs off for extra food. No. The shit I don't want to do on stream. I feel bad, but I do want Darcy. Oh, that's not what we need. Please, please do. No. Well, it seems like Crow Mauler might make this decision for. Shit. Could just get Darcy later. Yeah, I guess so. I do want her now, though. Fear is getting a hold of you, and I'm going insane in the darkness. Oh, this is all going wrong. Oh God. I know there's a sacrificial altar somewhere down here. The final gamer does it again. I really want to be a bit careful here because I know we haven't saved in a while. What are the results of the poll? What are the results of the poll, chat? Still going. Who stays? Girl stays with 51%. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, hey, thanks for subscribing. Moonless doesn't understand your intentions. I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, it's a bad game. It's not a nice game. I don't like it. I don't like this game. I don't want to play this. Ah, no. Oh, and everyone's hungry. Everyone's real hungry. Those things can cut limbs. Those things can cut limbs. I am suffering for my penance, Hossman83. Thank you for the subscription. Oh, it's all bad. It's all going bad. Run. Yep. Okay, nice. Ah, shit. Okay, god damn it. Like, I can kill these guys no problem for not hungry, but the penalty's gonna be too hard. Oh, god damn it. Oh my god. Oh! The run is not dead, chat. No! No, I didn't save. Leg sweep did nothing to him. Fuck it, we'll try and take it. Why didn't that work? No! 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 How far back did we save? How far back did we save? That's for the dog. Yep. No, that's fair. That's fair. Oh. Well, you can get the doll now. I guess there's the bright side of life. Justice deserved. Okay, fucking god damn it. Oh, I'm on tilt. Chat, I'm on tilt. I'm not doing so good after that. Sometime in the future, we need to know if a Fear and Hunger character can defeat Garfield in a ladder match in the ring. Count on it. Oh, shit. Okay, good, good. Let's go back and get the get that dang old miasma sword, I guess. Oh, tragic, tragic. This game, chat. I don't know why we do this. The real good move would have been to keep Moonless and the girl and let Darcy alone. No, you see, Darcy has fast attack, which makes her an like. If you equip her with a high attack weapon and she can attack twice per turn, she is an absolute monster. Like, she's so good. And also, she's Casca, so you know. Okay, chat. Next time we'll sacrifice the little girl, and you know, maybe we can make a tidy profit off it, if you know what I'm saying. If you get here, what I might be putting down. Our claymore is not cursed anymore, but we will fix that. Okay, at least now we get to see the claymore, or the miasma. Whenever it says you hear voices in your head, I can't help think of Randy Orton's I Hear Voices in My Head opening song. Yeah, it's totally the Soul Edge. Alright, buddy. Crow Mauler versus Garfield in a last man standing match. Oh, buddy. Yeah, no, we gotta do that. We gotta do that. How's your party doing with food? Marriage is hungry. Yeah, let's feed marriage. I think we also got to get the girl her knife. We have to kill Cave Mother again. That's loads of shit we got to do. Arr. Also think we're nearly out of torches as well. Can't you cannibalize? No, I am not barbarian this run. They still bother me. Do you have the open passage to the mines still? I think so, if I know what you're talking about. Oh yeah, we have the open passage to the depths, if that's what you mean, not the mines. Since when can dogs come inside? Laugh my ass off, evil game. This is, again, this is what happens when you play Terror and Starvation. The dogs follow you into the castle. Curse equipment. Beautiful. Isn't a task list a good idea? It sure is, especially when I hit, like, when I have to end, because I'm gonna need to remember, like, what were we doing? Oh dear. Huh. Where is that elite? Shit. Okay, this is kind of bad. This is not good. This is not good. So, I know the elite is close, and we should see him coming down the bottom of the screen, but I don't know when. And we don't have enough torches. Oh, this is bad. Huh. Chat. I'm just gonna chance it. I'm just gonna chance it. If we hear that noise, we're fucked. Oh, where's the library? Where is the fucking library entrance? Oh, we fucking made it out of there. Barely. That was so close. And then I think we've already gotten this. Nothing left here. Cool. Okay, we should still be able to get the tree branch up here. And I think there's actually a second tree branch we can get if we kill those dogs. If I remember right. It's those decisions, chat. That's the shit that just, it stresses me out so much. What's the deal with the butterfly guy? You can get him in a sub-quest for the Cockroach King, I believe, who I've never met. Apparently he's somewhere in the thicket, but I've never encountered him. Yes, what a perfectly normal looking field. How definite we are that nothing strange here could be happening at all. It's definitely nothing that would violate the Twitch terms of service, that's for sure. Let's go, dog. Shit. Shit! Motherfuckers. They still do loads of damage. Oh, that's not good. Kill him. Kill him. God damn it! Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. No lucky coins, chat. 50-50. Oh no. It's those dogs. I sacrificed a dog and it's come back to haunt me. When will you people learn that the final gamer always has a plan? Yes! Yes! Oh! If the guard leg sweeps, can he hit both of them? Fuck these things. Oh my god, what is with my luck in this fight? I should probably just go straight for the body, like... Surely we're gonna do enough damage to kill them. That's one down. We should have just gone straight for the body. God damn it. And the stick, there's my reward. A stick. A goddamn stick. I don't think the Eastern Sword is worth getting right now. How does chat feel about that? I think it's just going to be too much out of our way. It's a great weapon. Eastern Sword is the goated weapon. There's 2 sticks up there. You got plenty of weapons. Okay, let's cure this infection first of all. Then let's wrap our stupid dog wounds from those ridiculous dogs. You can guard to automatic evade coin flip attacks. I'm aware of that, alright. We pulled off a very nice one of them. Is there a second stick around here? We pulled off a very nice one of them last stream. You have to know it's coming, and I was so sure... There it is. I was so sure we would kill that dog. I should have just gone from the body. I forgot that, like... I'm so used to fighting dogs in the early game, I forgot that we have, like, weapons strong enough to just kill them. Are you planning on getting the Sergal Spear? I can think of some ways to get the Sergal Spear. Oh, you know what? Interesting. I never thought of that. I never thought of cutting the arms off my ghouls and shit and making sure that, like, I haven't... Because, yeah, okay. Interesting. Okay, now where is that fucking elite? No, Lagarde, come on. Come on now. We're all suffering here, buddy. Wait, no! Where'd he go? Lagarde! There you go, buddy. That's alright. Not fun. Not fun. Oh man, I should have equipped my better weapons. Yeah, those I knew those guys were doing way too much damage. Okay. Oh, some final gamer shit happening there, folks. Okay, so now what are we doing? Now we want to go down to the mines and get Moonless. Yes, that's what we want to do. But let's go grab a bed and save our game, because I have got to go see Enter the Spider-Verse now. Here we go. Damn it. Oh, 2,000 damage. Hell yeah. So basically, you can go bed to bed here once you've killed all the ogres, and safely enough try and save. There we go. Okay, chat, good progress made. Before we finish up, what are our tasks? What do we want to do next time? I think the next thing we want to do is we need to curse our weapons. So I'm going to write that down. Curse weapons. Weps. Get Moonless. Kill Cave Mother.
Oh, hey, thanks for subscribing.
Anything else? Am I forgetting anything? Bunsy4, thank you for the subscription. Have you gone to Skin Granny? Not yet. The next goal will be to have a great day. I guess so, yeah. Save before Cave Mother. Sacrifice Girl. Salmon Snake, yeah. Then we do Salmon Snake. Then Cube. Then Darcy. Okay, I think that's gonna be it, chat. This you can get this t-shirt, eyepatchwolves.com. Thanks to everyone who bought a t-shirt during the week. We had a really bizarrely good week on Eyepatchwolves, considering all I did was mention it on stream last week. But everyone's cool. I appreciate it. They're good t-shirts. You can enjoy. Other than that, guys, listen, have a great weekend. I love you all, and I will talk soon. Bye-bye.